Welcome back to the Healing Garage. Today we have an RnineT, and a good use of my time today, I think, will be to polish the headers. Here we go. But first, wash. I'm sorry, it's been like 10 years since these foam cannons became commonplace. This will never not be inappropriately comedic. So these are the tools you're going to need. You're going to need yourself a T30, a T40, a T45, and a 12mm socket. I'm going to keep the sensors in situ and just undo the wiring and take it out. This here is the wiring for your O2 sensor. Snip that zip tie and then undo that. Twist clockwise and out it pops. Use your thumbnail for those of us still with them and pry out and pull down. Onto the next side. Now would you look at these nuts here? You got two of them and then you got two on the other side as well. Give me my header! Oh my god, why was that so difficult? Ignore the rock crunches. Just ignore that, they're fine. Don't worry about it. It's out of sight, out of mind anyways. It's facing down that way anyway. Don't mind that huge scrape right there. Don't worry about it. Let's see about knocking some of this schmutz off. Maybe not. Maybe not indeed. We will be using the little gold bottle. This stuff smells terrible. It smells like cat puke, like hot summer cat puke. Well, to the surprise of absolutely no one, I threw in the towel with the polisher. Sometimes listening to your old man and the internet actually has some merit. Jesus, easy on the door, bud. Look at that, it's brand used. Not often you get to see inside an engine, eh? You can tell the valves are open because it's a shiny spot there but just after the guide. Neat. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna continue polishing until you can't be bothered anymore. And frankly, I'm at that point now, so let's get everything back to where it should be. I'm sorry, neighbors. It must be done. This is a rite of passage. It's so obnoxious. Click, click, click. And there you go, half an afternoon of hard labor, crawling on the ground and getting filthy. And discovering it's not worth it. It's an urban GS, it's bound to get filthy. I'm bound to be riding in the rain, or if not through puddles. This patina, it's life. Let it live. Live and let live. It's fine. Is it better than what it was? Yes. Does it matter? No. If you've made it this far, consider subscribing. If not, hey, that's on you. If you like it, great. If not, also great. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Welcome back to the Healing Garage. We have house hat. Welcome back to the Healing. Welcome back to.